In my last video, I showed you how you can stand up a fully white labeled, feature-rich, powerful client dashboard that your clients would be happy to pay hundreds of dollars a month to access. However, you might have watched that video and thought to yourself, okay, I kinda get it. I like the look of the admin panel. It took about 5 minutes to set up. It's totally free to do. All that's great. But what will my clients actually see? In essence, you're probably wondering, what does this app actually do? Well, that's a fair question, and that's the topic of this video. We're going to talk through some of the core dashboard features that led over 1,100 e-commerce brands to trust Boardroom with their business, and how your clients are going to love those features as well. Let's jump in. All right, so I'm switching over to a screen share, and I want to first say that although in this demo, you're going to see the Boardroom logo and color scheme and branding here, that if you do sign up for this client dashboard, your clients are of course going to see your logo and your color scheme and your branding and not our stuff. And they're going to get all of this functionality that we're going to look at today, so just bear that in mind as we walk through the demo. All right, now here on the homepage, the first thing that you'll notice is that Boardroom is a multi-store dashboard. So I've got 1, 2, 3 Shopify sites and 1 Amazon Seller Central account connected here. I've also got this ad spend widget here, so you can see that we're pulling in data from e-commerce marketing platforms as well. And that is one of the core benefits that Boardroom brings to the table, is data integration. So it gives your clients a consolidated hub where they can log in and stay on top of their financial picture when it comes to running their online business. We've got a few KPIs that are here on the homepage. Users can customize that with this button here and choose what 4 metrics appear there. But I want to actually drill into this data integration process a little bit more to show you that it's super easy to connect your clients' accounts. So don't worry about onboarding or a complicated setup process. It literally takes seconds. I'm going to click Actions, Sync Ad Account. Takes me to my integrations page here in Boardroom, and I can just click Sync New Ad Account. You'll notice that we integrate with the 4 major advertising platforms that almost every e-commerce brand uses, and they can just point and click and select their store and click Start Integration, and boom, the data starts coming in automatically. We sync all of the historical data, and then we start syncing all future data as it comes in real time. And by the way, it's not just advertising platforms that we integrate with, not just online stores, but we also pull in traffic data via Google Analytics, and we also pull in expense data through our QuickBooks integration. So once we get all of this data in one place, it really creates a powerful dashboard. And the first thing I want to show you to emphasize that point is the P&L report that we have in Boardroom. So under financials in the menu, we'll see profit and loss. And I know that for accounting firms in particular, this is probably a report that you run for your e-commerce brands on a monthly basis. Now with Boardroom, you could disable this if that's something you want to continue to do on your own. But an alternative is that we can start running this report for you automatically and even sharing it with them on an automated recurring basis, so you guys don't really have to lift a finger to run the P&L anymore. And they can log in anytime and see a live, up-to-date P&L. Because like I said, we pull in all of the sales side data from the e-commerce platforms, cost of goods, and all other expenses coming in from QuickBooks. So super powerful. And by the way, as I'm filming this, we are in the process of finishing up our Xero integration. So if your clients are on Xero, don't worry about it. Soon we'll be able to pull in that data as well. Now, a P&L is great, but many e-commerce brand owners also want to be able to monitor key metrics at a glance. For that, I like to show our overview page in Boardroom, and you'll see we have a bunch of key metrics here at the top of the screen. Don't be overwhelmed by this. If you hover your mouse over any one of these tooltips, we'll tell you exactly how these metrics are calculated and what the data source is. And these little green or red arrows are going to show the trend in this data over time as well. Just like with the homepage, users can customize this screen as well. And if I scroll down from here, we get these really beautiful charts that show me how the data is moving over time on a day-by-day basis or on a month-by-month basis, depending on the time period that I'm looking at. And we do this for revenue, expenses, profit, orders, units sold, average order value. You get the picture here. So really cool stuff here that our e-commerce brand customers absolutely love, and I'm confident that your clients are going to love it as well. And that's just what's inside of Boardroom. What's also really cool is that you can actually export data from Boardroom very easily with this Create Report button. So if I click that, I'm taken to this little form here. I can give this a name like Daily Sales Report. I could enter in as many email addresses as I want to right here. I can customize which metrics are included, the calculation date period, and when it's going to be sent, and then make it a recurring report. So I can have this thing sent automatically by Boardroom daily, weekly, or monthly. You can do the same thing with the P&L, but this is a great way to keep your clients posted. And if you have those like problem clients who are sending you emails all the time, asking for updates or wanting to see the financials, this is a great way to keep them informed and take some of that load off of your team who probably manually does that today. All right, and one more feature that I wanted to show in this video is something that we call a power grid. And you're gonna see these grids throughout the Boardroom tool. They operate kind of like a spreadsheet, so I can click to sort by any one of these columns. I can actually click and drag and drop to change the order of them. I can apply a filter to any one of these columns. And we're getting tons of data in here, in this case about sales, because I'm on the sales page. But we also have these grids for products and SKUs and inventory and customers and all kinds of things. There's so much data here in the background. I'll just show you some of the columns right here. But this creates a really flexible way for you to dig into the data, to create custom segments, and to do ad hoc reporting. And this just creates pure visibility into every aspect of the client's business. So our customers love the power grids, and numbers people like accountants also typically love the power grids. So I definitely wanted to show that in this video today. All right, there is a lot more that we could show in the Boardroom dashboard, from our CRM to our SEO features to our inventory insights features. There's just a ton there, more than I could cover in this brief video. I wanted to keep this short and sweet. But if you enjoyed this video and you think that offering your clients a branded Boardroom instance on your own website domain would add value to your business, then I would encourage you to book a call with one of our team members or visit our site to learn more. And thank you for watching this video.